Welcome to the channel. If you're looking for the best way to improve the air quality in your home, car, or office, you need to see this. Stay with me until the end because I'll show you why this mini air humidifier is the perfect choice for you. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our reviews. And remember, the link to get this humidifier at the best price with free shipping from AliExpress is in the first comment below. Have you ever struggled with dry air causing discomfort, allergies, or even skin irritation? This mini air humidifier is the ultimate solution, delivering refreshing mist instantly to improve air quality wherever you are. It's compact, powerful, and designed for effortless use. Ultra-portable and stylish, small enough to fit in your car, office desk, or bedside table. USB-powered, convenient and energy-efficient, perfect for travel or daily use. Aromatherapy compatible. Add essential oils for a calming and refreshing atmosphere. Quiet operation. Produces less than 36 dB of noise, ensuring a peaceful environment. Auto shut-off protection. Prevents overheating when the water runs out, making it safe for overnight use. Thousands of customers worldwide have already experienced the benefits of this amazing product. Let's hear what they have to say. Customer testimonials. Johan M. Helsinki, Finland. I was skeptical at first, but after using it for a week, I noticed a huge difference. My sinuses feel better, and my skin is no longer dry. Highly recommend. Li Wei, Shanghai, China. This little device works wonders. I keep one at my desk, and it keeps the air fresh all day long. Super quiet and efficient. A must-have. Sarah T. New York, USA. I love how compact and easy to use this humidifier is. It's perfect for my bedroom, and the aromatherapy feature makes my space feel like a spa. Totally worth it. And the best part? You can get this mini air humidifier at the lowest price with free shipping right now. Just click the link in the first comment below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth product reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about this humidifier. See you in the next video.